Quality Assurance Analyst. As a Quality Assurance Analyst, my job is to make sure commercial or non-commercial products are fit for purpose. My role is focused on creating quality deliverables at all times. It is also my responsibility to make sure that the software development process doesn't sacrifice quality in the name of completed objectives. My roles and responsibilities. I ensure all development tasks meet the quality assurance criteria set by the client or sponsor. I develop test plans, test cases, test scripts, test reports on multiple projects. I execute functional and regressional testing. I assess customer requirements and ensure that these requirements are met. I analyze data to identify areas for improvement in the quality system. My role involves manual and automated testing activities for the implementation of changes to existing or new systems. As a QA analyst, I work closely with internal customers as well as with external suppliers, meaning I must have excellent stakeholder management and communication skills. I also organise and manage updates between teams and stakeholders, chairing meetings, conference calls. I check and assess requirements, including assessing testability of designs, running tests, collecting and recording results, and then retesting to prove that errors identified have been corrected. Finally, I provide regular status reports to management, as well as identifying and raising project risks and issues.
With over 5,000 success stories and 30 or more new roles secured each month, our candidates earn as high as £850 per day as digital experts using our innovative eWork experience platform.